Okay, after a short break, I decided to continue recording my solutions. Um, Today, my try is to solve this daily LeetCode question, move pieces to obtain a string. So I'll quickly read the problem and then I'll start solving it. So my idea here right now, I'm thinking I should go one by one by let's say I have a pointer to the target I have left here. So what I should do is fill up the tag check that will move to the left and is length to the left and piece second length to the right. Okay. Um so there are two decisions, or it seems like I should have a pointer here on the target and pointer on the start, and then if I see the left piece, mm, what should I do if I see? So it seems like I was thinking before, just counting some kind of left and rights and seeing if I can use it as a sequence, right sequence. But because there is this further condition that the left can move to the left and right can move to the right. Um, yeah. So even if I have this counterexample in mind, so let's say we have a target equals, let's say, start equals right, and target equals, no, start already on the right, and target is right on the left. And in this case, it should return false. Let's check. Case for start, target, right, and it's false. So the expectation is false because I cannot move it to the right. Yeah, let me quickly wash my eye. Okay, how are we doing here? So, any ideas how this can be done? The string is pretty long. The string is pretty long. And I need somehow to come up with a solution how to move this left and right. So like let's say I need to fill up the right place, the target with the right. So I need to go somehow to the right if possible. To the right. So I need to, on the first place, I need to have a target. I need to have to the right, to go to the right place of the start and see if I can find the latest. And here I need to go to the left, if it's gonna be left. I mean to the right and find anything that. I'm thinking about right now about some kind of stack structure. So kind of, if I have this start and I have this target, let's say I'll start with the left. If I somehow like get the, like I have, what? Okay, so continue recording. I'm still thinking about this problem. I was thinking about if I can apply the stack here. But stack should be somehow wise, I would say. So like I wanna make push the L on here, and I wanna have some kind of stack with R, R, L, and I'll say R on position 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, R on 7, and then I wanna have R on 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and then no, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, okay, 4, 4, and then left and 1, and if I move the pointer, like left pointer on a target key, and then start with this one. If I wanna move point on a left on a target, I have left, and it means that on a stack to the left, so I have on top of the stack 1. So I pop it, because currently I can move to the left, left pointer, the left value is there. So I pop it. So stack becomes stack 1, and now I'm on position 0. So 0 on position 1, then position 2, then position 3, then position 4, 5, 4. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if I'm on R7, I check what I have on the stack. On a stack, I have R on 4, and it means that, and I have like R here on 7. And target means I can move R to the 4. Okay. Okay, what happened for this one? Start. So again, I have stack in this case. Stack right, right in position 0, 1, 2. In position 2. So I go to target and see target on right position 0. I check what the stack has right 2, and I need to move this right to the 0, but I cannot do that because 0 is less than 2. Some kind of that logic. So let me quickly try to program. I'm thinking if there are any counterexamples. Let's say target false also. Let's try to this for example. So let me draw this. So we have right start right 0 empty 1 left 2 empty 3 and target is empty 0 empty 1 left 1 right left 2 right 3. So we create a stack based on what I have here. Stack gonna be right on I go from right to left, and I'm gonna have left position 2, right in position 0, and then I go to target, have empty value, and in case of the empty value I need to figure out I have right on what? Yeah, I need to figure out if I can free up this cell because right stays on 0. So basically I need to move right to the right. So I pop the element right, I make it like left 2, right 1, move 1 further. Then I move the target pointer empty again. So, and I have on top of the stack right 1. So it means that I need to move it further. I check what's the next on the stack, left on 2. What if I had like right on 2? Would I do that all the time, like moving, like so like if I have like right, some kind of that, and then I need to make so start and the target gonna be empty, let's say empty, say here right, empty, right. Or even not like that, maybe like this. Or even like this. So I need to put 4 rights here. Right in the end. What does it mean? It means that if I'm gonna fill up the stack initial, so it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So my stack gonna be right 7, right 5, right 3, right 2, and then I need to store like the index. How to make it easier? So if I gonna do that, let's say target empty, then here gonna have right and 2, and I need to be empty. empty. Oh, actually here it's not 3. 0, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's gonna be 8, 6, 4, and then 2. So I need somehow to, again, as I said, 2, so stack becomes, can I move right to 3? Yes. So I move right to 3, that become empty. So now I have right here, then right 4, then right 6, and then right 8. So the problem here is that I need to do this internal while loop, and then I'll need to go through the one by one and rearrange the stack and kind of do this non-trivial operations. And in this case I need to go, okay, right, can I move to the right? No. But maybe next one can move to the right? No. But maybe next one can, there is still potential that there is a play, there is a space for that. That reminds me the, I guess, traffic problem or something like that. But in this case, it can move to left and right direction. Like traffic jam problem. And let's say I will have the situation. Is it that really bad? Shall I create something, come up with something better? So number of characters is 10 to the power of 5. So I really don't want to move that. It seems like it will take a lot of time and maybe TLE. So something should be kind of changed. At maximum, I wanna know, on every position, let's say I have select a random target position. Choose some. Let's say I have input 0, left 1, then empty, 1, 2, 3, then right 4, then empty 5, 6, right 7, and then 8, empty, and then target, start, target, left, empty, 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 right, right. Some kind of that logic. And I want somehow to let's say for this target, empty. Let's say this is empty and that is empty. Okay, that's fine. Let's say for this target, right, I wanna know what's either empty space to the right, so I can move this right, so it can become also empty. Yeah, the most I'm a little bit worried about the stack solution that I suggested, because the problems are gonna be like, as I said, like we have like this gap gap input, and in the case I wanna have like target. Um, so we have five. I have five here, right. In this case, I need to like. I can definitely like make it like stack with, you know, stack with not only. I mean, like merge it with upcoming. So like I'll have stack element as let's say right or left, and then I'll have the index when it starts. Index, and then I'll have the length. And if the index plus length also matches, let's say I'll have like right. That right starts at the index 0 and has length of 3, and then after that I need to move one bit further, so to make this kind of first spot empty, and let's say after that you have right, so it's gonna be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have on stack right starting on 4 index, and then also 3. So I need to move this kind of rights to the right one item at a time. So I move it, and I basically merge with whatever we have on the top of the stack, because like if I move it, it's gonna be new index right 1, 3, and then if I add 1 plus 3, it's gonna be 4, and 4 is basically the beginning of the next I would say sequence of rights, and I can basically merge it, so I can say right, if I move this one to the right one cell, so it's gonna be right 1 post 6, so it's gonna be something like that. Right, and I can do that only if there is no left on the way, something like that. And if there is a left on the way, what should I do in this case? Or like if there is so I thought about I'm thinking right now, like if there is anything left, let's say we have like any combination of left as it is here. Oh, left is fine, I probably, yeah. So it's kind of asymmetric algorithm. So I'll start writing down the algorithm. So I'll have the stack integer, and then stack equals new stack, and then in the stack I'm gonna have like 0 index 0 left, 1 right, index 1 gonna be start index, and index 2 things. New stack, and I'm gonna go for int I equals 0, other than start and the length I was plus, and then I need to No, I need to start from the end. Start at length I greater than length minus 1, and then greater than 0, I minus minus. If so, I'll have char equals start char at I, and then I'll have if char equals let's say equals empty, then I'll do nothing. Else, if char is equal to right, I'll check if stack empty is empty. If it's empty, I'm just gonna push stack the push new int, and then right, I'm gonna mark it as right, no, right 1, then start index gonna be I, then length gonna be 1. Else I'm gonna int top equals stack pick if stack if top 1 equals 1 and top okay, top 0 equals 1 and top 1 equals start index equals I plus 1, then I'm gonna have stack stack push. I don't know if I'm gonna modify it in place, so to be safe, top so top 1 gonna be I, top 2 equals top 2 plus plus, so I'm increasing the size and I'm pushing the top to the top of the stack. Otherwise I need to just else stack push the same. So I need to check PPP. Okay, let's do this. Let's push. Let's make it smaller. And do the same for the else if character equals left. So for the left it's easier. I'm gonna just do this stack push new int and then 0 I1, and then what I'm gonna go I'm gonna go for int I equals 0 I less than target dot length I plus plus, and then char equals target dot get char at I, and then if char character is like empty, then it means like if stack dot is empty, then continue, else, oh, like int top stack dot pop pick, and then check if so if I can make it empty, so if I have left, oh, that's an interesting problem. So like if I have left, I could have moved it to the left. Oh no. No, actually no, it should be already like from here. So if top one, oh yes, oh no. If top 0 equals 1, equals 0, then return false. Else, if top 1 equals one, so the question is if I can move it to and top, okay, top 0 equals 1 and top 1 index equals I. And so the question is, can I move it? Can I move it or no? So int top equals stack that pop and then I check if top one settings plus 1 plus top size 2 so what I'm trying to catch here, so let's say right and the empty and I need to make it like this, right empty. So I do what I do. Let's say it stops here. So here we have right 0, 2. If I plus 1, so gonna be I 0, so 1 plus 2 should be less or equal length. If it's greater than length, if this one, if greater than length, then target int n equals target length. And let's say if, do they say, okay, they say about that, and greater than n, then return false. Else I wanna do that if stack is empty, then I'm gonna go or stack pick then I'm gonna just stack push new int, or just top, we'll change top 1 equals top 1 plus 1, and then stack push this top. Else int new top equals stack pop new top size new top I, oh it's 1 gonna be top 1 plus 1. It's becoming hard to write this code. Let's check what the topics. 2 pointers on strings. So stack might not be solution here. There should be some kind of 2 pointers logic. Okay, let's remove this and think again. If empty, okay, let's say int r1 equals 0, int r1 equals start, okay, it's int n equals start with length equals n minus 1. Same int l2 equals, say, as start l1, start right, start left, and then t left equals 0, and t right equals n minus 1, and then so there are a couple of cases that can happen here. So while t left less than t right, if so first I need to go to the start and find is while start char add sl equal empty 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 symbol, I'm gonna do sl plus plus, and then while start char add s right equals empty, I'm gonna do that s right minus minus, and now so I have this target left and right. So now I need to check if target char add target left is equal empty, if start left greater or equal greater as right to break probably, target left is empty. So if I have like a right here, I need to move it to the right to make it empty. And again, how I can move it to the right? That's again the same problem as I was trying to solve. I have no idea how to solve this. The order cannot change. The problem is that sometimes, like as I said earlier, like this case needs to be somehow processed. Ah, okay, I got it. So kind of indexes should not like change. So here, if I have the index cannot cross of it. So in this case, I'm gonna have R on index 4, or what? Index 1, 2, on 3, like 2, and here on S on R on the index 0. And I cannot move right to this index. So let's see. Have start 4 int I equals what was 0 I less than say we have array list int if start a if start at I equals empty, then we can continue. If start char at I equals left, then I'm gonna have start a add a new int, and then here then I have a 0, and then index gonna be I. The next one, if start char at I equals right, I'm gonna have the same start. Okay, so coming back to solution, start a add new int. Okay, something like that. And I wanna do the same for the target. target and have the same target A. And now I'm gonna have this for int I equals 0, say if start say target. Oh, it's already equal. So if start A. Okay, so start A length not equal target A length So if the order is not kept, I return false. So if there's like left and right and left and right and left, then I'll return false. If another one, if start A I 0 equals 0. If it's 0 and other is 0, so it means it's left. So start and start AI1, so index of it is less than start and AI1, then return false. If start AI0 equal 1 and start AI1 is greater, so I cannot move right to the left and target target AI1 return false. In the end, I want to return true. Target A. Okay, size. Okay, alright, size. Oh no, poo. Get I. Nope, nope, nope. What's the problem here? Is it here?
Dad, when I was playing music, I saw my cup of bubbles. You got it open?
Yes, but I'm recording. Okay, it's exiting here. I wonder why. Continue. LR. Hmm. Okay, interesting. 4 int I equals 0 other than start a size system. Okay, do if I'm gonna do the same. Hmm. Ah. Okay. Yeah, so assaulted now out of time and like I have a wrong idea and followed like wrong idea. Clean up. All the same, it doesn't matter. Just anyway, it doesn't matter. here. Okay, picture array, the same. Yeah, we can go without that. Yeah, I wouldn't say I'm happy with my solution, but that's it. Even 2 pointers. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. 2 years ago. Okay, so we're gonna stop recording. That's all I got today. Consider this a failure. So I spent more than 1 hour on this medium task, and with multiple interruptions, and also I didn't solve it by myself. I checked the hints, and only after that I solved it. And yeah, that's it.